Okay, so now we're logged in, and here's your dashboard. And I'll give you your basic numbers here at the top. We can put anything up here you like. Again, we build this for you, and we want it to evolve. So don't be shy. But number of cars available, pending sales, sold, total lot investment if you want to have those numbers, and any numbers you want here. And the more of these we get, the better you'll see how the system will work. Because in the end, AI is going to be analyzing your numbers and helping you buy better vehicles, which I'll go through soon. And then your active receivables. And then you have some of your inventory down here. And then you can click that too. Go to the inventory tab, or any of these sidebar items here will help you navigate through the system. Very easy. And again, this can be used on both mobile or desktop or tablet or pretty much anything you want to use. You download the app to anything you want. And the mobile version is very handy for adding images to inventory, which you'll see soon. So let's go over the inventory tab next.